Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Square payments on your online store. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Square payments on your online store, begin by logging into your Square account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts on the Square website. Once logged in, navigate to the Account and Settings section from the dashboard. Look for the Payments option in the left-hand menu and click on it. Here, you'll see various payment integration options. Select the option that allows you to connect to your online store platform. If you're using a popular platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix, click on its specific link. Follow the instructions provided for that platform to authorize Square. You may need to grant permissions so Square can process transactions on your behalf. After connecting, return to your Square account's payment settings. Set up your payment preferences including accepted credit cards and payment options. Next, add your business information to ensure smooth transaction processing. Make sure your bank account details are accurate for deposits. Test your payment system by making a small transaction on your online store. Check your Square dashboard to confirm that the transaction appears. If everything looks good, you're ready to start accepting payments. Remember to review any additional settings for sales tax or shipping options. With these steps complete, your Square payment setup is now finalized. Your online store is prepared to process payments securely with Square. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.